Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your double shot kit. So the double shot kit comes out every month and includes 2 brand new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is a perfect way to have a little bit of new product coming in each and every month. If you want more product, then check out our flavors of the month. I'll have some videos of that reveal kit at the end. So this month our 2 collections are Crafty Garden from 49th and Market, and then Happy as Can Be from Echo Park. These are perfect collections for all of your summer memories and more. Along with your kits, you'll also receive access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for the Scrap Room members. This month's cut file is this awesome Happy 4th of July cut file with a little Polaroid frame, so you're going to have a lot of fun with that. Be sure to download it, come over to the Facebook group and the blog and check out all the other sketches and challenges and things that we have to get you inspired. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything you're going to receive in this month's kit. Our first collection is Crafty Garden from 49th and Market. This is a beautiful collection. It's very typical of 49th and Market with the florals and the distressing. Just gorgeous, very heavyweight cardstock in the paper and in the embellishments. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Fig Swirl, 1 sheet of olive, and then your pattern paper is this one, Harmonious Garden. This is one of those ready to make layouts. The background is already done for you. You could just add some photos and some embellishments. So it has these beautiful florals in the corners. It kind of reminds me of dogwood florals. And then the butterflies. The back is this 2-toned green distressed stripe. Then we have the journal card paper, which are 3x4 cut aparts. Beautiful florals again with the butterflies, lots of little quotes. So these would be perfect to make your titles, your subtitles. You could even take your scraps and make a couple of cards with some of these. It'd be super sweet and super easy because all of the work's already done for you in the design. The back is a diagonal 2-toned blue stripe, and then we have a full branding strip of this wood picket fence. Our third paper is this one, Tranquil Blossom. This is another one of those background papers. Just gorgeous. It's already ready for your photos here. Has your layers and your distressing and your mixed medias with your little butterfly. Even has a border mixed media around it. The back is this gorgeous floral print, so good luck deciding which side you want of it. The branding strip is a green canvas print, so that is your pattern paper. For your embellishments, all of these are going to vary among the kits, but you're going to get some of the ephemera pieces. So these are out of the heavy cardstock weight, really substantial. And then you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces. Some of these will be icons and some of them will be words. So we have some of these little dragonflies, and I guess that's a butterfly, some words and some hearts. So everything you need to start creating. So that is Crafty Garden from 49th and Market. Our next collection we're going to look at is Happy as Can Be from Echo Park. So this is a beautiful bright collection with the yellows and this blue-gray color with the striking black contrast on the white. Just beautiful. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of black, and your pattern paper is this notebook paper with the florals in the corners. That's a lot of fun. You could put photos up here. You could really fill it up with a lot of photos and then just do your journaling on the background here. Super cute. The back is a black and white hexagon. That paper is called Make a Note. And then we have the daisies on the blue with the little bumblebees. The back is a yellow and black stripe. This paper is called Lovely Bee Daisies. And then we have a beautiful little bouquet of florals. The back is a green gingham. That paper is called Happy Bees Floral. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have a large scalloped of the daisies and then a border of the little bumblebees. Have lots of little banners here with words and the bees. We have some larger squares and rectangles. It's just cute. Love the little hive and the bees with their little flight patterns. So you're getting several bees and the florals. Always stay bumble and kind. Think happy, be happy. How sweet it is to be loved by you. So some really cute, whimsical sayings and designs. You can call me Queen Bee. So I love this. So that is Happy as Can Be from Echo Park. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out the other kits that we have available. I'll have the flavors of the month here, as well as another reveal video. Come on over to the blog, check out all of the kits, the inspiration, the challenges. Be sure to check out the YouTube channel here for all of the design team's creations that they make, so you can create right along with them. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.